All right, welcome to this coding session on generative deep learning. This will be our first session, and we will develop a language model based on a text of Friedrich Nietzsche, a German philosopher. All right, so let us go and get this data or the text, and this is the URL to get the text. So let's press enter, and here you can see the text. So it's quite a long text, about 600,000 characters. And the next thing that we want to do is we want to get access to that text from our Colab interface. I already created a file name here. So we typically import these libraries and we mount the Google Drive. All right. So, but in this case, let me think. We actually don't need the Google Drive. Yeah, we actually don't need it because this is a block of code that we will use a keras command here to get access to that Nietzsche text file, and I just pasted the URL here. Yeah. And then we're going to open the text and then convert all text into lowercase. And then we will print the size of the text, and it should be around 600,000. Here it is. The corpus length is 600,000. All right. So the next thing we will do is, remember, we want to create these sequences of 60 characters. These are overlapping sequences, and the overlapping step is 3. So let me paste the block of code where we actually define these variables. And then we create 2 empty lists. One empty list will hold the sentences, and these are the sequences. And one list will hold the characters, or the prediction of the next character. And as temperature, we will select temperature equal to 1. Yeah. All right, let's now start and put the block of code in there that actually will create these sequences of 60 characters. So we're gonna loop throughout the corpus. Here you see that. And of course we stop at 60 from the end, because that will be our last sequence, and we do it in steps of 3. So the overlap is basically 57. Yeah. So once we create all these sentences or sequences, we'll add them to the sentences list that we've created, and the next character, of course, is the text, and then I plus max length. So basically what we have here is from, if I is 0, this goes from 0 to 60, but 60 is not included. Yeah. So the 60th character will be your next character. All right. And then we will see how many of these sentences we have, and it should be around 200,000. Here we go. So we're correct. All right, so the next step is, what we're gonna do is we're gonna determine what the unique characters are in this text, and we're gonna use therefore this block of code. Yeah, so the characters, we're gonna look at the text, and this command gives you an unordered collection of unique characters, and then we will print them. And as I already mentioned, there's 57. Here we go. So 57 unique characters. And the next thing that we will do is create a dictionary where we give each of these 57 characters a unique index. Here is the one line of code that will do this. Yeah. So we create a key. A character is a key and the value is the index, and we'll do this for all 57 characters. So let's run this. All right, so our dictionary is set.